In this video, we're going to learn how to create an unscramble activity in Edvento. From your teacher dashboard, click the Create New Activity button. This will take you to the activity library. Scroll down until you find the Individual Activities section. Locate the Unscramble activity. Move your mouse over the activity card. The card will flip over. Click the Create Activity button. A pop-up window will appear. Enter a name for your activity. For this example, I'll simply call it Unscramble. If you don't want other teachers to see your activity in the public library, set the visibility to Private. Now click the red Create Activity button. The Activity Creation dashboard will open. The first thing we'll do is change the background image. Click the Theme button. Choose the background image you would like to use. Once you've selected your background, scroll down to the Activity Editor. On the left side of the screen, you'll find the Content Editor. On the right side, you'll see the list of saved items. Think of the left side as your editing area. Everything you save on the left will automatically appear in the list on the right. This activity can be used to unscramble both words and sentences.
Let's start with a single word. For example, I want my students to unscramble the word atom. Type the word with a space between each letter. Type A, space, T, space, O, space, M. Each letter will become its own movable block. Students will rearrange the letters to form the correct word. When you're finished, click the Save Sentence button. Although the button is called Save Sentence, it works for single words as well. Your word now appears in the list on the right. Now let's create a sentence activity. Type your sentence normally. For example, atom is made of subatomic particles. Simply type the sentence using normal spaces between the words. Edvento automatically separates each word into individual blocks. Students will drag the words into the correct order to rebuild the sentence. When you're happy with the sentence, click Save Sentence. The sentence is now added to your activity. Repeat this process for as many words or sentences as you need. When you've finished creating your activity, go to the top of the page. Click the Save button in the navigation bar. Your Unscramble activity is now ready to use.